Welcome to the domain of Pulkit Finance and Business, where Ram, the master storyteller, unravels the mysteries of smart grocery shopping. Ram's guidance on creating detailed lists for effective shopping captivates the eager audience. The challenge emerges as shoppers battle against the allure of impulse buys, striving to follow the list and avoid unnecessary expenses. The importance of leveraging discounts for maximum cost efficiency is vividly illustrated by Ram's savvy advice. Ram emphasizes the benefits of bulk purchases, highlighting the reduced waste and financial savings they offer. The seasonal cycle's influence on shopping habits is explored, revealing the financial benefits of incorporating seasonal produce into meals. Ram concludes with a reminder of the economic benefits of utilizing leftovers and reducing food wastage, leaving the audience with valuable insights into smart grocery shopping. As the audience absorbs Ram's wisdom, they depart with a fresh perspective on grocery shopping, ready to apply their newfound knowledge in their shopping endeavors.